Yachts followers, 5 stars yachting brokerage world. Maybe the stars today are 6 because we are on board the Mangusta 108 for the year 2004. Getting in a boat this age, something like 10 years, you would never be expecting something like we are having a glimpse now, as this boat is stunning new. Let's get a course all through the main salon, so big and spacey, one whole environment all through the cockpit and the helm station. 3 seats up there, managing the Timoneyachts system. Mangusta 108, the history of the open yacht. Opening means that you have no flat bridge on this boat. So that's why we are having such a huge hardtop that is opening down. So you can have the idea of the wind running all through the salon, going to the stern, so you can stay inside of here and having the air flowing in from this huge space that's open up. And then welcome downstairs. We are down here in the master cabin, actually the master suite, because this is a real suite apartment. You can see the dimension. The master cabin is all beam, full beam on this boat from side to side. You can see 5 huge portholes on each wallings. You can feel the dimensions of this suite. It's nice to notice. Going forward, we encounter the en-suite head, all in black marble, and you're going on, you're having a huge shower that can be also a Finnish sauna. It's gonna be perfect after a tiring day under the sun to sweat elegantly in your private own sauna. The layout of this Mangusta 108 2004. We've just been in the master suite, AFT through the stern. Now we are at the middle ship and we are exactly in the guest cabin. 1 bed, 2 bed, and the 3rd Pullman bed up on the wallings. Going forward, we are encountering the 2 bow VIPs, one aside the other. So we're having 2 VIPs at the bow with double bed, and each of them with the en-suite head, and we don't want to forget the 5th head along the corridor. It really deserves to be down here. This is the real heart of the yacht, the engine room. I would like you to see how are clean these double MTU 2800 horsepower each. The boat runs 34-35 knots. You see, for a more than 30-meter yacht, is a stunning performance. We are having also aside the engine room, huge, 2 of them, cooler systems. And of course, we can't be missing a big Hydromark water maker and the powerful air conditioning system, all the port walling. on top of such a yacht. I would like to salute you, Timone Yachts followers. Remember, the 5 stars yachting brokerage world is up on us. Keep up following us, and if you would like to have more details, more pictures, more specification of this stunning Mangusta 108, please contact us. www.timoneyachts.it Italy.